Okay, continue. So section number 13. I mean, we actually discussed everything before, but now it's like in summary. Changing beneficiaries. Oh, that's very interesting, right? Very important. There is dispute among the poskim whether there is an obligation to continue to give tzedakah to a poor person if one has constantly given to that person. According to one opinion, one may not reassign money he would normally use for the specific indigent to another. So meaning what? That as everything else, if you did something 3 times in a row, it becomes like a nether. It's like obligation that you must continue. Whatever is it? So that's why when we do things, we always say bli nether. So I'm not taking any obligations, and when I'd like to stop, I'm going to stop. And for example, we're trying to help somebody to pay for yeshiva for that family child. They have several children. Of course, we don't have so much money, but for one child, we said that we're going to pay Beezrat Hashem. So we pay 1 month. But even before we send money 1 time, so I remind that person 7 times that look, nobody knows if we're going to have our money next month or 2 months from now. So I'm going to let you know. So I told them like by the 25th of the month if they are able to come up with money. Yes, no, like and like tell them clearly understand that you need the money, but we would not know until like later in the month. Okay, so it's proper thing to do. But if person never told say that to a poor person, so poor person expect if you paid if you give them money for 6 months, 7 months, and now you stop, like why would you stop? Understand? They're already in their mind. They already like you think that they're entitled to this money. So that's what one opinion says. That one more time, according to one opinion, one may not reassign the money he would normally use for a specific indigent to another. Right? Why would you stop? Of course, if there's some circumstances change, and then now the person was out of job. Now he got the job. There are medical bills now. No more medical bills. So that's a difference. If circumstances change, it's one thing. But if not, they continue to be as poor as they were before. So according to one opinion, not allowed. Okay. This only applies when there is no upgrading in performance of the mitzvah of tzedakah. Here we go, right? So even according to the first opinion. So, but if you want to upgrade, right? Okay, let's see. If, however, one would use the money for tzedakah that takes precedence over the particular poor person, then one may change the beneficiaries. For example, if one were to discontinue giving the indigent in one's own town in order to give those funds to one relatives who has a precedence, right? Who has precedence? Okay. So here is as we said, the relatives, of course, on a much higher stand, much higher step than people in one's own town, right? I don't remember what is the step. Just to quickly find it. So donor himself is one. My parents. People from his city is actually 18, believe it or not. Right. So and his relatives. Depends who, but it's from number 4 until number 14. So of course, as we see, much higher the precedence than just another poor person in his town. But of course, as I said, it's proper like to tell them in advance that that's what we're going to do. So at this point, I have money, but if needs to be reassigned, we would need to do that. I apologize, this and that. So like prepare the person. Okay. Other poskim allow switches beneficiaries. Rav should be consulted. So of course it's a case by case basis. Okay. But it's only, of course, if you go if you give this money directly or through somebody, they know it's from you. That would be the issue.